How to schedule appointments with your clients in QuickBooks Online. Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to do that, and it's gonna be very easy and simple step. So first you can log into your QuickBooks Online account, and then in the main dashboard you can navigate to the All Apps here, and then you can go to Customer Hub, and you will see Appointments menu here. Click on it, and then you will see all of your appointments. So in order to create or schedule new appointment, you can just click this green icon here, green button I mean, and then you can choose appointment type, in-person appointment or video call. It's up to you. I'm going to choose in-person appointment, and you can choose the client or the customer, and then you can select your customer. This is all of your customer list. I'm going to choose maybe this one, and then there will be all of their data, and then just click next, and then you can add new address. You can just choose the country, of course United States, and then you can add the details. This is just for example, and then click next, and then you can set the date and the hour. It's up to you. I'm gonna choose next, and then you can add the appointment details, maybe for meeting about deals, something like that, and click schedule appointment and appointment schedule. So this is the details. So yeah, so it's done. You can also edit it if you want. I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.